Stop what you're doing. The Simpsons might already know what 2025 has in store for us. Sounds crazy, it gets wilder. What if these so-called predictions are more than just flukes? Stick around, because by the end of this story, you'll uncover a mind-blowing prophecy that will leave you inspired and questioning everything. Imagine this: Donald Trump, the king of Saudi Arabia, and a glowing orb. Sounds surreal, right? Yet The Simpsons depicted this exact scenario back in 2002. Fast forward to 2017, and the world watched it happen, down to the last detail. This isn't a one-off either. Over the years, the show has eerily predicted countless real-world events. The question is, how? Before we dive into ChatGPT's chilling 2025 predictions, let's revisit a few jaw-dropping moments from The Simpsons' crystal ball. Remember Trump's iconic escalator announcement in 2015? The Simpsons nailed it back in 2000. Or how about the God-particle equation scribbled on Homer's chalkboard in 1998, 14 years before its actual discovery? Coincidence? Maybe. But there's no denying it's spooky. Now, let's jump ahead to what 2025 might hold. Based on the trends and uncanny accuracy of The Simpsons, here's what ChatGPT suggests could be in store. 1. Ivanka Trump for president. In a 2016 episode, Homer sported a badge reading, Ivanka 2028. Could her political rise begin as early as 2025? It feels bold, but that's The Simpsons for you. 2. Big Ben goes digital. Imagine London's historic clock tower switching to a digital display. Ridiculous? The Simpsons thought of it back in 1995, and with tech evolving rapidly, tradition might just meet innovation. 3. Pet translators. Yes, you read that right. A 2004 episode teased the idea of devices that translate your pet's barks and meows. Could 2025 finally bring us this game-changing tech? 4. Instant makeup machines. Picture a device that applies flawless makeup in seconds. Homer dreamed it up in 1996, and with AI advancements, it's no longer far-fetched. 5. Virtual weddings. A 1995 episode hinted at hologram brides and metaverse ceremonies. In a world where VR is becoming mainstream, could this be the new normal for tying the knot? By now, you're probably asking, are these predictions just lucky guesses? Sure, some might be. But isn't it uncanny how often The Simpsons seem to anticipate cultural shifts? Remember Miley Cyrus's wrecking ball moment in 2013? Homer did it first, back in 1994. Here's another brain bender. In 1998, The Simpsons casually depicted the 20th Century Fox logo, with a division of Walt Disney Company written underneath. Fast forward to 2019, and Disney officially acquired Fox. Just luck? Or something more? Let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Did you know the Bible contains over 300 prophecies about Jesus Christ, written centuries before his birth, and every single one was fulfilled? Think about that. A mathematical impossibility, yet it happened. For example, Isaiah 53 foretold a suffering servant who would bear humanity's sins. Centuries later, the crucifixion unfolded exactly as described. Unlike The Simpsons' playful predictions, these biblical prophecies carry profound meaning. They offer not just foresight, but hope. So, what's the takeaway here? Whether it's The Simpsons, cutting-edge AI, or ancient scripture, one thing is clear. The future isn't just a series of random events. It's shaped by a blend of destiny and choice. Here's the kicker. The Simpsons may entertain us with their uncanny predictions, but they also remind us to stay curious and open-minded. The future isn't written in stone, it's a canvas waiting for us to paint. What do you think? Are these 2025 predictions plausible, or just clever coincidences? Share your thoughts below. Let's unravel the mystery together.